Yes, man. So them hungry now?
Jesus Christ, I'm full.
Heading up to country now. You know, a little road trip for the weekend, lockdown. Gonna take you guys on the journey with us, you know, giving you the real country life, the real country Jamaica, and just have some fun. So just keep on watching. But before we continue, remember to like, subscribe, share the video with your friends, and leave a comment below. Let's
The
chat below.
tagline, Monty, come, let's go.
Ready? Let's go.
Let's
No,
go.
yeah, say too slow. Come again.
Come, Monty, join in on the
Yeah, I'm say
tagline.
it. Ready?
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's
No, I have to say the whole thing. Let's go.
go.
Let's go. Let's go. So we're up on a road trip and Mama pulls out a knife and start peeling an orange. Why?
She asking me why me have to travel with a knife.
Why you travel with a knife?
Suppose me never travel with a knife. Me couldn't get to peel my orange now.
But then you could have waited till you reach
No,
for the orange.
what? My orange so you keep my knife.
So you
I keep my scissors as well.
a bad girl.
Yeah, man.
So you pepper spray too?
Not yet.
And taser.
That's illegal.
And mace. This one don't trouble my granny, you know, she's strapped.
Well, but
Oh.
Fully bad.
water was city.
Eh.
Yeah.
Watch it. The orange ready now.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Here you go.
Alright, so this is my cousin Bunty. Hey.
Run under the pumpkin.
Look at this pumpkin.
The pumpkin gonna run on the ground. And then the pumpkin grow on it. But you would have want to itch up.
I think it grew up on the ground. So guys, we reached country. The last time I come, Mama, remember me that struggle for go over the hill from my unfit, and the people them say, oh, my grandmother more fit than me.
You make certain.
Oh, give me my bag.
You make certain say you
Hey, you're so used to carrying.
You make certain say you fit this time.
Boy, I don't fit, you know. I have better footwear. But yes, my grandmother is fit because I don't know how she do it. You know me run out of breath.
And Marabana and grow a country.
Yeah, she used to this and she loves carry load. So we're there country. We're about to go link up with Tavia.
So I love carry load.
You do?
My grandpa didn't call me donkey.
Yeah. It's a vlog today. Hi. In the bushes. Look over there. We're seeing pumpkins. The vine that's running. Alright, let's see how well I do up the hill. I'm not out of breath yet. Still I go. I'm gonna feel as tired as the last time.
The rain not fall.
Nobody in. I rain not fall. See Matty there coming. I'm gonna fly. Look at Matty. Take time, nobody drop. I'm about to drop, you know. I'm so tired. The whole energy just gone. Say hello.
Hello,
Tell me who you are.
Matthew.
You're Matthew?
Yes.
Yes. Did you miss me?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
Alright, what have you been doing all day?
Nothing?
Nothing, so? Not at all?
Yes.
So what are you jumping up for?
Look here. Step over, Rochelle.
Hands?
Look here.
Oh. What's a pumpkin?
Mm-hmm.
Does a pumpkin start out small?
Right, smaller than that. It's smaller than that till it reach to that. Till it grow and reach and reach.
And it's smaller than that up in here.
Wow. It's pumpkins, the beginning.
Auntie,
Yes, Matthew?
look here.
What happened? Your teeth them gone?
Rochelle, come here.
Going back.
Who take out your teeth them?
Me no know.
Come here, come here. Who take them out? Make I see, open. Open, let me see. Where did they go?
Show her the front one now.
Oh, all of them just gone, so.
No, you know,
Them soon grow back.
the front one's then gone from about January last year.
Look at this one.
Mama, you can't find them.
Look there.
Come find them.
Where?
From morning to
Oh,
Look no, you see it?
it just
See
a
it there?
shoot
See it
up.
there?
Yeah, yeah,
The material so then come up very small and then gradually grow.
yeah. Hey, Matthew is so adorable.
Say now come in there.
Yeah, you're not coming.
No, I turn back now. Done. After
Yeah,
no,
but already.
no, no come meet me out the road, so I'm gonna leave for now.
Mommy.
So, yes, Matthew? Yeah?
We will read it.
Okay. So, save your hair. I should tired. But we're just talking about how youthfulness run in our family.
Yeah.
Because
Big for all.
a lot of persons think I'm like 15, 16. I think the most maybe hear somebody say, Mama does ever cut in my conversation there. I think the most maybe hear somebody says that I look maybe 21. And Tavia, she now would look like 24, 25. People always say 25 in their 20s, 28 maybe.
Yeah, 41.
How old is she? How old is Tavia? How old is she?
What? 41?
41? You sure? Only that? You sure? Oh, you know says 41.
Because her birthday didn't come in October.
April.
April.
Her birthday was April 6th, which was 2 weeks ago. And she tell us she's 41?
Yeah, go on, well, man.
I know she is 41.
Oh, she was 40. I know she's
40 and now I'm 41. Well, you still never hear good. I was 41 and now I'm 42.
42.
Are you a carrot this?
Yeah.
Mr. Mama just a walk and I look for a crop.
Carrot plant eh? Rochelle.
Where?
Carrot grows see there.
That's a carrot, look.
And the carrot down in the dirt.
I know that it's in the ground, I know that, but I never know. Oh, but it's pretty on top.
Alright, here, see some big one here above. See me? Plant some small ones after. See me? Is it not this? Let me here.
So this is what carrot looks like, guys.
I have one rude goat kid. Every evening I come in to just pull up his mouth.
What?
One rude goat kid. Every evening I come, he have to just pull up his mouth.
With a carrot?
Yeah.
Go like carrot?
No, them is the first. I see them eat it.
Rude.
What goat eat?
They look like them go somewhere and what next goat show them. Hey,
Say good for the
Hey,
eyes.
say, hey, this good for the eye, you know, you can eat.
They love eat sweet
And then they just go and start eat.
grass.
It looks so.
So that's
They said the goats eat sweet potato and grass.
them love eat sweet potatoes.
They have the vine and then eat up the food itself.
Yeah, man.
They eat apples too.
Yes, how about them love apple and love
the
mango.
Alright, the sun come out and come.
River.
So the rest stop.
Yeah.
Alright.
Tired?
Yeah, man.
You could have tired.
A chill spot.
Daddy?
My gosh.
Yo, so we're back and we're about to cook on this coal stove. Well, Tavia. We're about to make our version of KFC. We're gonna call it the RFC, the Rochielin fried chicken. You know, outdoor style, country style, you know, coal stove setting. So good up, Tavia. Let's do one thing. But this is where I'm gonna end this video, so you have to watch part 2 to see all of that. Alright, so thank you for watching so far. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, follow me at Rochielin on Instagram and Twitter, and then come back now for us to do the Rochielin fried chicken together. Country style cooking, you know. No, country style fried chicken tastes different from town style. And also Chef Tavia at them. Tavia multi-talented, from chef to farmer to teacher and all of these things. So we got the grocery and it's time for chicken. So come back for part 2. Alright, bye.